One of the hardest things for people to understand is the mental toll that first responders go through. When you are exposed to trauma, literally every day, you cannot help but get numb to it. And when I discovered the statistics about what the job does to people, the fact that in law enforcement, the average age of a first heart attack is 42, the average age of death is 57, and that their exposure to toxic, hazardous materials can cause chronic illness, not to mention that they're usually hypervigilant because they have to be. And when we go through those traumatic experiences, being able to find a supportive environment, to work with a good therapist, to have a peer support or chaplaincy team that can help you work through those issues is imperative. If you don't have mental health support to work through those issues, they keep on building and building and building. And then when you retire and you're not going 100 miles a minute and you slow down, you can experience trauma flooding, where all of that unprocessed trauma comes rushing back, and it can be debilitating. That is often what is the precursor to suicide.